Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something exciting to talk about, the 2025 Ford Transit van. Whether you're a business owner, a camper enthusiast, or someone looking for a reliable workhorse, this van has something to offer. Let's dive into all the features, upgrades, and performance aspects that make the 2025 Ford Transit stand out. Ford has once again refined the Transit van to meet the evolving needs of modern drivers. The 2025 model comes with a sleek yet practical design that blends durability with aerodynamics. The front grille has been slightly updated for a more modern appearance, and the LED headlights now come standard, improving visibility in all driving conditions. The overall body structure remains solid, ensuring safety and longevity. Under the hood, Ford offers a range of powertrain options. The base model features a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers excellent power and efficiency, making it a great choice for businesses that require dependable transportation. For those looking for more power, the EcoBoost 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 is available, providing an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. Additionally, Ford continues to push towards sustainability with a fully electric variant, the e-Transit, which boasts a high-capacity battery and fast-charging capability, making it a perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers. Inside, the 2025 Ford Transit is designed with comfort and technology in mind. The cabin features a new digital instrument cluster and an upgraded infotainment system with a larger touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ergonomic seats have been improved for long-haul comfort, making this van an excellent choice for delivery drivers and road trippers alike. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with all controls easily accessible to the driver. Multiple USB ports and a wireless charging pad ensure that your devices stay powered throughout your journey. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its enhanced driver assist technology. Ford's Copilot 360 system now includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make navigating busy streets, highways, and parking lots easier and safer than ever before. The Transit also offers an optional hands-free driving system for highway travel, adding an extra layer of convenience for long-distance drivers. Cargo space has always been a strong point for the Transit, and the 2025 model is no exception. The van is available in multiple configurations, including low, medium, and high roof options, as well as different wheelbase lengths to accommodate varying cargo needs. The cargo area is designed to be highly customizable, with easy-to-install shelving and storage solutions, making it an ideal choice for tradespeople, delivery services, and mobile businesses. For those looking to convert a van into a camper, the 2025 Ford Transit provides an excellent foundation. With its spacious interior, robust electrical system, and all-wheel drive option, it's well suited for adventure seekers who want to take their travels off the beaten path. The electric e-Transit model is particularly appealing for van lifers who want to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle without compromising on performance. Another key update in this model is its improved towing and payload capacity. Depending on the engine choice, the 2025 Ford Transit can tow up to 7,500 pounds, making it a great choice for businesses that need to haul equipment or trailers. The payload capacity has also been optimized to handle heavy loads efficiently, ensuring that this van remains a top choice in its class. Maintenance and durability are crucial for any commercial vehicle, and Ford has made sure the 2025 Transit remains cost-effective and easy to maintain. The van's service intervals have been extended, reducing overall maintenance costs for businesses. Ford's warranty and service packages provide peace of mind, ensuring that owners can keep their vehicles in top shape without excessive downtime. Overall, the 2025 Ford Transit van continues to be one of the most versatile and dependable vehicles in its category. With its range of engine options, advanced technology, spacious cargo area, and driver-focused features, it's a great investment for business owners, travelers, and fleet managers alike. Whether you need a van for deliveries, a mobile workshop, or an adventure vehicle, the Transit has something for everyone. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Ford Transit. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new model. Do you prefer the traditional gas-powered version, or are you excited about the fully electric e-Transit? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I've written a detailed script for your YouTube video on the 2025 Ford Transit van. Let me know if you'd like any changes or additions.